Hey friends, if you wish to change line spacing in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. First of all, we have two options. One is that in the home tab, click on this little symbol with paragraph, and then you can change the line spacing to multiple lines, double, or before it, after it, at it, and then click on OK. Other than that, if you want an easier method, I mean, if you don't want any precise spacing, like I want 0.0035 or something, not like that. If you want certain designs for the spacing, then go to the design tab, click on paragraph spacing, and then you have this option default one, and then no paragraph spacing, and then tight paragraph spacing, and then relaxed paragraph spacing, and obviously you can change it to default. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.